Looking for classic cruiser vibes with modern reliability? The 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 delivers just that: low-slung style, plenty of power, and all-day comfort. You're watching Next Gen Reviews, and today we're taking a closer look at why the Vulcan 900 is still a solid choice for the everyday rider. Design. The Vulcan 900 sticks to its roots with that traditional long and low cruiser silhouette. For 2026, Kawasaki's smoothed out the lines just a bit, added fresh paint options, and upgraded the LED headlight for better visibility. The blacked-out engine and exhaust give it a muscle cruiser vibe, while the wide handlebars and teardrop tank complete the classic look. Build quality is as solid as ever, nothing flashy, just clean, tight, and well-made. Performance. Under the tank is a 903 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin that's been a workhorse in the cruiser segment for years. It's torquey, smooth, and delivers predictable power whether you're in town or cruising the highway. The belt drive keeps things quiet and low maintenance, and the ride is surprisingly comfortable, even on longer trips. Fuel economy stays right around 45 to 50 miles per gallon, making it efficient for a mid-size cruiser. Features and technology. While the Vulcan 900 keeps it mostly analog by design, 2026 brings some smart updates: LED lighting all around, optional ABS, and a revised seat for improved rider support. The instrument cluster's been freshened up with a small digital readout, giving you gear position and trip info. Simple, functional, and easy to read at a glance. Conclusion. The 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 is a cruiser that does what it promises, looks good, rides well, and feels built to last. It's approachable, dependable, and full of character. Would you ride one? Let us know in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more real-world bike reviews that keep it honest and rider-focused.